Want to give your customers more ways to customize your products on Shopify? Standard Shopify product pages can be limiting when your products need personalized options, extra details, add-ons, or custom requirements. Introducing Acowebs Product Options and Addons by Acowebs. With Acowebs, you can add powerful product customization options and advanced order forms directly to your Shopify product pages. Give customers the flexibility to personalize their products with options like drop-downs, checkboxes, color and image swatches, file uploads, custom text, dates, and more. Let's see how Acowebs Product Options and Add-ons can transform your Shopify product pages.
First, let's add a label for the form for easier identification of your subwoofer add-on form. Now, let's add a select field for setting up subwoofer diameter. Once entering the label for the field, let's enter the field option, which has the options of the subwoofer diameter. Then, let's add a number field for letting customers enter the subwoofer outside diameter. Then, let's add another number field for customers to enter the subwoofer mounting depth. And then, let's add next number field for entering the subwoofer total displacement. Now, edit the section of these fields and enter the name of the section and enable the option to display of section name. Create a new field section and enter the section name. Enable the display option of section title and choose the preferred size. Add a number field for entering the height of the subwoofer box. Add another number field for entering the width of the subwoofer box. Now add a number field again for setting the depth of the subwoofer box. And then add a select field to set up subwoofer box type. Enter the available subwoofer box type in the field options. Now add a content field and enter the label TOF of the field for showing the total internal volume calculations. Now you can enter the volume calculation formula inside the content field value option by enclosing the formula inside hashtag and equal symbols. And then add another select field in the same section for choosing the subwoofer box material thickness. You can enter the available material thickness measurement inside the field options. Now you can add another content field for calculating the total area of the box. The calculation formula for the total area can be added inside the content field value section by enclosing with hashtag and equal symbols on both sides. Now, let's add the pricing option for the material thickness option. Once enabling the pricing option and selecting the fixed price option, enter the fixed prices for each thickness of the material. Enable the Use Just for Show option to display the price and avoid them from being calculated in the summary price.
Add another content field and enter the label as Total Cost of the Box. This field will calculate the total price of the box based on the entered measurement and choosed material thickness. Enable the pricing option and choose the Custom Formula option.
Enter the custom formula for calculating the total cost of the box by calculating the total area and thickness of the material choose. This will help you to determine the amount of material used for the box and calculate the price of the box. Now add another section to the form and enter the name of the section and enable the title display option of the section. Now add a new number field to the section and label the field as port depth. This will help to calculate the subwoofer port depth. Again, add a new number field to the section and label the field as port diameter. This will help to calculate the subwoofer port diameter. Now, add a select field and enter the label of the field as port type. This lets the customer choose the port type. Now, add another select field and enter the label of the field as port facing side. This lets the customer choose the port facing side, such as front, bottom, left, and right, etc. Then add another number field and label the field as port width. This will let the customer choose the port width if they go for a rectangular port. Select the port diameter field and then enable the conditional logic option and choose the option where the port type is circular. Now open the conditional logic option of the section and choose the option where the box type is ported box. And finally, after saving the form, assign the form to the product by clicking the Connect Product button. Click the Assign button and select the required product from the list of the products created. Now open the product page and let's check out how the add-on form works on the product page by placing a test order. After entering all the required values in the fields, the price of the box is being shown in the Price Summary section. Let's click Add to Cart button and proceed to the checkout page. Here, you can see all the add-on data is being displayed along with the product inside the checkout page.
And that's it. With Acowebs Product Options and Add-ons, you can create flexible and personalized Shopify product pages. Thanks for watching.